Hi folks, I'm Hristo from ExiArts and I wanted to show you this amazing spot here. I am on a specifically absolutely amazing and a little bit dangerous spot. Please beware when you're in such locations. Do not ever go towards the edge. Always choose a standing point that is stable for you and support yourself with the things nearby you to which you can hold yourself. You can also have a seat and enjoy the view while seated, because when you're near the edge and we are standing, you have a greater risk of happening some incidents. And I just will sit here quietly enjoying the view, listening the crows. It's just lovely here.